Oh. French fries are yummy. They're perfect. Oh my goodness, how do you cut them like that? You make better French fries than me. Mmm. They're so nice. So yummy. Mm. Amazing potato. Mm. Okay, had a horse. Go.
Mom, no. This is to say I made the potatoes I made.
Starve the potatoes.
Look at these potatoes I made, huh?
No.
These French fries.
Why is the kitchen so messy, anyways? Why is the kitchen so messy?
What?
Why is the kitchen so messy?
Hmm.
Look at these potatoes. Amazing. Just the right size. Good job. And look at the kitchen. It's a disaster, but the potatoes are nice. You always do a messy kitchen, but your things are so good. My son always make amazing food, but the kitchen is a disaster when he done. Just to make some potato. Look at this kitchen. Hi. Hey guys, welcome to a new video. How you guys are doing? Me and my 14-year-old is in the kitchen. And guys, he loves to cook. He makes all kind of stuff. Desserts, French fries. And he made these amazing French fries. Look at these French fries. Like, it's cut perfectly. He just used like regular potatoes that we bought yesterday. And it's just perfect the way he cuts them. Like, he's like amazing. Eh? When it comes to cooking, I just tell him like mommy has like the cooking gene in a kind of way. Well, if I have 100%, he has like 190. It's true. Like, he's a really good cook. He cooks with style, you know. But these French fries are amazing. The texture. Mm, mm. French fries made by my 14-year-old son. And he makes this amazing desserts. Makes his own recipes. And anyways, I just come on camera to brag. Yes, guys, to brag about my 14-year-old because I'm so proud of him. He's so amazing. He's such a good cook. And he's always making nice food. Right? There he is. He just came from a school. He's like, Mom, can I make a snack? I thought, okay, yeah, you go take a snack. But he made himself a snack. See? Alright, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. We're going to go enjoy our beautiful handmade fresh potato French fries made by my 14-year-old. Ciao.